Hey everyone, I've been a little bit sick lately and I haven't quite gotten my voice back, but I couldn't pass up the opportunity of making this quick video. Last night was September 17th, 2024, and it was the super harvest moon. Not only was it a super harvest moon, but we also had a lunar eclipse. And the fact that the full moon happened within 15 minutes of the eclipse maximum is something that happens very seldom. In fact, the next time we're going to have a super full moon and a lunar eclipse at the same time won't be for another 9 years, not until 2033. The moon's orbit around the Earth is not a perfect circle, and there are times when the moon is closer than others. A supermoon is what we call a full moon when the moon is at its closest, and therefore appears biggest. A harvest moon is a full moon closest to the beginning to the autumnal equinox, or the start of fall. It is called the harvest moon because it is around this time that farmers would typically harvest crops that they grow over the course of the summer, and also because the extra brightness of the moon would help farmers harvest longer into the night. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth blocks the sun and creates a shadow on the moon. Lunar eclipses are more common than solar, and they are not dangerous to look at. Although last night's eclipse was only a partial eclipse, meaning only some of the moon was obscured, seeing a shadow progressively eating into the edge of the moon is still a very cool and eerie sight. These are images I captured using the Celestron 6SE behind me. I was capturing 20-frame SUR files at 30-second intervals, and I stacked them and processed them using pip and AutoStackerd. And so here is last night's eclipse. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.